Are you the best back lotion applicator? Look no further. In this video, we will be sharing our top 5 picks for the best back lotion applicators. These applicators are perfect for applying lotion to your back, and they are all available at a great price. So, without further ado, let's get started with the list. List number: Body Health Lotion Applicator and Massager. The Body Health Massager is designed to provide you with a convenient way to reach those hard-to-reach areas that may be difficult with your hands. As it measures 17 inches long with a 38-inch head diameter, the Body Health can easily be used on all parts of your body when applied with lotion, cream, or ointment. This product is made using durable plastic construction that can last for years of use. Simply fill the applicator head with lotion and let the 19 floating balls massage your back muscles and other hard-to-read locations as they spread the liquid smoothly and evenly all over your body. Designed for convenient and effective use, this body roller provides an easy way to reach areas of your body that are difficult to get to. This body roller is perfect for applying shower gel when you're bathing or body lotion after you're through. It measures 17 inches long with a 38-inch diameter head, providing personalized coverage that prevents lotion from dripping off your skin as it targets hard-to-reach spots, such as between the shoulder blades, calves, feet, and even in the palms of your hands. List new Youthni Self-Back Lotion Applicators. The Self-Tanner Applicator is designed for those hard-to-reach spots. Its small, thin edge won't rub skin, and the soft fabric will help you apply it evenly and smoothly without streaks. The well-stitched handles in both sides help you better control the back buddy lotion applicating. Apply lotions evenly to your skin. This sunscreen applicator is designed specially for self-tanning, apply sunscreen, lotion, and so on. It's breathable, ergonomically designed, and non-elastic handles that help you better control the back buddy lotion applicator. Apply lotions evenly to your skin. Another unique feature of this product is its skin-friendly material. Smooth, soft fabric could help you apply lotion to your back evenly and smoothly. No streaks, getting a perfect tan. List Diapin Lotion Applicator for Back Body. The Diapin Lotion Applicator for Back Body is an essential back lotion applicator that is designed to be non-slip, firm, and easy to use. Great as a gift for women, men, and the elderly. She and he will love this back lotion applicator. San be reminded of your care every time she and he used it. Align the opening on the bottom of the foam roller with the applicator port. Push gently up to the bottom. The extended reach handles and superior structure of this back lotion dispenser is ergonomically designed to relax and pamper the back muscles. Its extended reach handle and superior structure will relax and pamper your back muscles. Equipped with 3 unique rollers, the medium-density foam roller is suitable for sticky lotions, such as body lotion. The high-density foam roller is suitable for medicated creams or gels. And the extended range of the handle allows plenty of space between application sites. List number: Main Basics Lotion Applicator for Back and Body. The Main Basics Back Lotion Applicator makes it easy to evenly apply lotion, cream, or self-tanner all over your body without having to contort your arms or ask for help. This back lotion applicator is designed to evenly apply lotion, cream, or self-tanner to help reduce back pain by correctly applying moisturizers on your back. The lightweight yet firm foam lets you apply moisturizer up to 16 inches long and is comfortable enough to use for long periods of time. With the Main Basics Back Lotion Applicator, even the most hard-to-reach parts of your body can be covered with lotion, cream, or self-tanner in only a few minutes. The curved design and grooves give the right angle and grip to work like dedicated hands for lotion application on your back. It's durable and built to last without the need for refills. It can be cleaned with mild soap and water and reused as needed. The ergonomic design is made of foam rubber pad, which is soft enough to hold lotion without absorbing it, but firm enough to apply evenly and smoothly. List number 5. Slick Lotion Applicator. The lotion applicator is designed to easily apply all gels creams, ointments, lotions, body acne treatments, moisturizers over your body. 17-inch curved handle for extended range allows no more awkward bending to reach back. The Slick Solution Lotion Applicator is designed to easily apply all gels, creams, ointments, lotions, and body acne treatments over your body. Effortlessly glide on lubes or moisturizers with this tool shaped like an applicator pad of your favorite product. This unique design creates a comfortable and easy way to apply lotions and other products on yourself without having to bend over. Our unique design is made for comfort and convenience during the application process. The slanted edge of each frame allows users to apply product more efficiently with no uncomfortable bending required. The contoured shape and soft material are flexible and gentle on your skin, making this product ideal for all types of lotions and creams, like facial treatments, body moisturizers, body acne treatments, all gels and ointments, or even moisturizing eye makeup.